You've been thinking about starting your website for weeks, maybe months, researching, comparing, planning. IONOS has been around since 1988, over 8 million websites. They're reliable and established. And right now, they have a deal that makes starting ridiculously easy. Here's what you're getting. IONOS Plus Plan. $1 per month for your first year. $12 total. Unlimited websites, unlimited storage, free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and 24/7 support. Everything you need to launch. Here's what happens when you start today. Taking action creates more action. Once you start, you'll keep going. Finishing something, even a basic website, feels good. It builds confidence to keep improving. Here's your action plan right now. Click the link in the description. Pick the Plus plan. $1 per month. Click Add to Cart. Add your domain. Type your business name. Add.com. Click Search. If available, click Add to Cart. If not, try a variation. Domain Guard. Keep it on. $1. Click Continue. Skip optional add-ons. Click Continue. Review your cart. $13 total. Click Continue. Enter billing info. Checkout and you're done. Check email. Click the login link. Install WordPress. Pick a theme. Add content. You've been planning long enough. IONOS makes it easy. $12 for the year. Unlimited everything. 30-day guarantee if you change your mind. Stop overthinking. Stop waiting for perfect. Stop researching. Start building today. Click the link in the description, get the Plus plan, and launch your site. Your website journey starts right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.